Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have a character with sufficient funds and access to businesses. Once confirmed, open the interaction menu and navigate to the SecuroServe or MC Management page to begin. Purchase or lease the auto shop option when available and accept any introductory missions. These unlock the property. Make sure to save before buying and verify you meet story mission triggers, because skipping prerequisites can block the shop unlock process. Once you own the auto shop, you proceed through the middle steps by completing required setup missions that secure the location and resources. You will need to install basic equipment and complete at least 2 delivery or protection tasks. Doing so activates shop functionality like repairs and custom jobs. Make sure to buy essential upgrades early, because they unlock higher paying work. If you plan to play alone, select solo staffing to avoid payroll drains. Teaming with friends speeds things up but costs more. To finish, run the final calibration mission and perform a full service on a test vehicle. This confirms all systems are active and lets you accept customer or client jobs. Once done, set service prices and schedule staff or automate services for passive income. If the shop remains locked, relog into the game, confirm you completed required story missions, and clear any client or session cache by switching sessions. This resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, repeat the final mission to force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.